What is up, guys? Deadlock Jesh here, and today I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to make slime. Stay tuned. Now, I know there's a lot of different ways to make slime. Trust me, I've seen all the videos, but my way is the easiest. I guarantee you, if you follow my directions, you will not fail. You'll have 100% awesome slime. And here is what you'll need. So here's what I'm gonna use. A mixing bowl, a measuring cup, some water, some borax powder, and if you don't want your slime to be see-through, then use the white Elmer's glue. But if you do want your slime to be see-through, then use the Elmer's washable clear glue. And if you want your slime to have color, then put some food coloring of your choice. But you know what? That's a little too complicated. So I went with Elmer's glitter glue. I told you this was the easiest recipe ever. Why complicate things? Elmer's already added coloring and glitter. This is gonna be awesome, so let's get started. First, we add a half a cup of glue. Oh, that looks so weird. Come on, glue. It's like a little slimy, glittery poop. Oh, it's disgusting. Come on. Oh my gosh. Almost done. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Oh, oh, that looks so weird. Now the cup is all sparkly. Come on, glue. Okay. Get that glue. Okay. Next, we will add half a cup of water. I like to add half a cup of water second, so then it can get any type of glue that's kind of still stuck in here. Guys, don't be afraid to get dirty. Use your fingers to scrape out any glue that's left inside the measuring cup. You're gonna have to use your hands to mix it into anyways, so there's a lot left over. Get all that out. Okay, got the rest of it out. For the borax solution, they want you to mix it together in a separate container first. So I'm gonna be using this cup right here. Inside the cup is half a cup of warm water. Make sure you use warm water so it mixes together easier with the borax. So now I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of borax into the cup. Now I just need to mix it around. Next, you have to add this water into the glue bowl and then mix together. And you have to use your hands too. Oh, it feels so weird. Oh, now it's actually feeling really weird. It doesn't even feel like glue anymore. Now I think it's actually turning into some type of slime or something. Make sure you mix thoroughly. should end up with when you're done. Super simple, awesome slime. So weird. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. As I always do it, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, peace out.